Hi everybody, it's Heather from Cottontail Crafts. Today I thought I would jump on and I got my safety eyes in the mail from AliExpress. So I thought I would unbox this and show you what I got. And then I also got my Etsy order for my felt eyes. So I have not used felt eyes before, so I thought why not film me using them for the first time. And I crocheted a turtle, and we're going to put the eyes on this little dude here. All right, so I have not unboxed this yet. So I'm going to flip the camera around and I'll show you what I got in my order. Okay, so I got my camera flipped around, and I honestly can't even remember what I ordered. So I'm just gonna dump all these out. I can't even remember what size I ordered. Okay, I'm gonna... Wow, that's a lot of eyes. So I basically got, I think I ordered 35 mils for my big octopuses and turtles. I ordered 30 mil, and then I think I ordered 25 mil. So I think those are the three sizes that I got. And I think I ordered the same, like the glitter pieces that go behind the eyes. I think I got them the same in all three sizes. So maybe we'll just stick with this size because these are going to be the same, just in different sizes. And I believe I ordered some glitter pieces without the eyes. So I think you can get like a 40 pack without the eyes. I think I did that as well because I wanted to get some, oh, here they are. I wanted to get some of the rainbow colors. And I will also show you how to install these too, because I made a turtle head, and these are very difficult to get on, like the backs are very difficult to get on. And I've seen people buy those jigs and use the jigs. I don't even think I would be able to get the backs on with a jig. So I will show you what I do, but you do what works well for you. Okay, so, and I don't even need like all these eyes out. I just want to show you a couple of the eyes with the glitter in behind them. So I just thought this would be like a quick little fun video to do. And they all come with plastic protectors on them. Now I don't know how well you're going to be able to see that on camera. And my lighting is really bad down here. No, that's worse. Okay. And I'm sorry for the pitter patter of little puppy feet, but I worked all day, so he's been home alone. So he's being a needy Nelly. Even though he just had his W, he should be good, but no. And I wanted to get some glitter pieces. Like, how pretty is that? So pretty. Let's see, what other colors we got here? We got green. Oh, look at that purple. Look how pretty this purple is. Very nice. And what else? I think, oh, these are different too. Okay, so I really went to town with the glitter pieces. Oh, look at this one. Look at that. Oh, that is gorgeous. So I will link this shop from AliExpress so you guys can get some of these eyes as well. I'll probably just link all the same listings that I bought, because this way you can buy, if you just want to buy the glitter, you can just buy the glitter. Isn't that pretty? And I think these were all the same. Yeah, those are all the same. So I just got the rainbow pieces. And then these were actual listings that came with the eyes. So I got these are gorgeous. I love them. Okay, and like I said, I'm pretty sure the other sizes are just more of the same. And like, there's so many other different colors that you can buy. There's like cartoon eyes that have, it's like a crescent moon. So the black is along the outer edge. But I don't know. These are the eyes that I like, so I just went with these. Okay, I'm just gonna move this off to the side because I don't want this video to be too long for you guys. And what size should I put on my turtle? I think I'm gonna go with the smaller size. So I'll have to take a Sharpie and just write down the size on the bag so they don't get mixed up. But I think this is the smallest size I got, which I'll probably use on my turtle. And these look like 20 mils, I think. Or maybe 25 mil. Okay, so. I ordered a lot of eyes. Oh, I didn't get the rainbow in the smaller colors. Why wouldn't I do that? I thought I ordered rainbow in all the sizes. Anywho, okay. So let's install a set of eyes. Okay. And I'm hoping that this isn't going to be too loud because I use a hammer and I hammer on the backs because these are super hard to get on. But that's what works for me. Okay, so I have a light green turtle. Now I got to figure out what colors I want to do. Oh, these are kind of rainbowish, but they're kind of like a teal and a pink. So let me just dump these out quickly and see what other colors are in here. Ooh, I like these ones. Let's go with these. But we have pink and gold. We have purple and teal. And then we have like a teal and a lime green, which I think will look really good on this turtle. So let's do this color. Okay. And I will clean up my mess later. Okay, so how I install the safety eyes is I put my color pieces on my eyes. Oh my goodness, these are so pretty. And then I put them on. So I just put these on and then I give a little press. But this yarn is pretty thick, so. But anyway, there's no way I could get this on with my hands. My husband even tried and he couldn't get it. So what I do is I have like a little foam mat, and this I got from Stampin' Up! Years and years and years ago. So, and then I have like a piece of felt. I put that down. Then I take my eyes and I keep the plastic on. I put it face down make sure I'm in shot here. And then this is like from a socket set, and I raided my husband's tools. And I just put that on top of the back of the safety eyes. And then I have a rubber mallet. Oops. Oh, I had it set against my hot glue gun and owie. Okay. So I'm gonna try to do this so it's not too loud or noisy, but I give a really good pound. And you can tell by looking at your back that you're past the first lip. And if you look at the safety eyes, like I can only get it on a little bit, but look at that space between the back and the eye. There's probably, 3 or 4 millimeter gap. And like I said, I don't even know if I could get these on with the jig. I've seen people use the jig, but I don't think I could even get it on with the jig. So that's what I do. So let's get the other eye on. And then I take the plastic off, and then I put the back on. And then I put the plastic back on, because there's been times where I didn't take this off and the plastic got stuck in behind the eye, and it is a booger to get off. Okay, so then I just put that on top. And again, I hope this isn't too loud for you guys, but I give it a good bam. And that looks like it's down past the first lip. And then I just give it a really good push. And I don't think that those are coming off. Those are on there pretty good. Yeah. And I might just do one more little smushy smush smush, because I just want to make sure that it is over that first lip, because I don't want these coming off. Okay, I'm pretty confident these are on and they are not coming off. So let's take off our plastic. Okay. And look at these eyes. Isn't that gorgeous? And you probably can't see it as well as I can see it in person, but these are beautiful. These are great quality, and I find they really make your projects pop. Like, they're beautiful. I love them. Okay, so that was what my eyes were from AliExpress. I will link them in the description below. So now on to the felt eyes. I ordered 15 pairs, and I got these on Etsy, and I will link those in the description below as well. So I got 1 inch round in the dark purple. I got 1 inch round in the tan, and I got 1.25 inches in the tan. And it looks like she threw in a free pair as well, because I did not order blue, but there is a blue eye in here. So that's very nice. I have not used felt eyes before, so this is going to be a learning experience. So I think because my turtle has purple in it, I think I want to do a purple eyes. Now, I think she says to take the paper backing off. And let me just quickly read this. Okay, please match eyes or mouths up to the numbers on the back. Remove the paper backing, and either hot glue or other glue Okay. So I think purple will look really good. So let's do purple. And I hope this works out well because, like I said, I've never done this before. And this is a custom request because it's going to a 6-month-old. So I recommended not to do the so this is sticky, but I think I still want to add hot glue to the back of the eyes. Just because. Okay, now I just got to figure out which way I want my eyes to go. And 1, 2, 3. So between rounds 4 and 5. So I'm going to say right about there, like that. All right, let's do this. Okay, I want my eyes going this way. Okay. And I got my hot glue gun off to the side. And I'll have to apply the glue over here because my cord's not very long on my glue gun. So. And all I hope is that this doesn't seep out the edge, because that would not be very good. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right about there. And I'm pressing quite firmly because I want the glue to seep into the yarn. Smush, smush, little turtle, smush, smush. Oh, I think that turned out really good. I'm just going to do another smush, smush. Sorry, little turtle, but we got to make sure your eye don't come off. Okay, so I want to make sure his eye is going in the same direction on the other side, because we don't want him to be cross-eyed. These eyes are thinner, like a lot thinner than I was expecting. But that's not a bad thing, I guess. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right about in the center. Okay. Smush, 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 smush. All right, so what do you guys think? I think it turned out really good. I'm actually really happy with that. Very, very happy with that. So I just wanted to thank you all again for subscribing to my channel. If you could give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I'd love to have you follow me. And I'll be uploading another video on Monday on all my makes for this week. And I have quite a few new patterns to show you that I have not done before. And there's some really cute stuff in there. So, thanks again. Have a great day, everybody, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.